Today our topic is what are the different types of car insurance. You may already know how auto insurance works, but do you know what the different type of car insurance are? If you are shopping for auto coverage, knowing the different type of auto insurance and their coverage is an important step in getting the policy that's right for you. Here are a few of the basic car insurance types, how they work and what they cover. Liability coverage. Liability coverage is required in most USA states as a legal requirement to drive a car. Liability insurance may help cover damage for injuries and property damage to other for which you become legally responsible resulting from a covered accident. Collision insurance. Second is collision insurance. Collision insurance may cover damage to your car after an accident involving another vehicle and may help to repair or replace a covered vehicle. Third one is comprehensive insurance. Comprehensive insurance can provide an extra level of coverage in the instant of an incident involving another vehicle. It may help pay for damage to your car due to incidents beside collisions, including vandalism, certain weather events, and accident with animals. Third one is uninsured motorist insurance. Uninsured motorist insurance can protect you and your car against uninsured drivers and hit and run accidents. This coverage is often paired with underinsured motorist insurance. Third one is underinsured motorist insurance. Many drivers choose to carry the minimum in liability coverage to save money, but this might not provide enough coverage. Underinsured motorist insurance can protect you in the event of an accident with a driver whose insurance is not enough to cover the cost. Medical payments coverage. Medical cost following an accident can be very expensive. Medical payments coverage can help pay medical costs related to a covered accidents regardless of who is at fault. Personally injury protection insurance. Personally injury protection insurance may cover certain medical expenses and loss of income resulting from a covered accidents depending on the limits of a policy. Personally injury protection could cover as much as 80% of medical and other expenses stemming from a covered accident. Gap insurance. Fifth one is gap insurance. Car value can depreciate quickly, so an auto insurance settlement might not be enough to cover the cost of a loan. Gap insurance may help certain drivers covers the amount owed on a car loan after a total loss or theft. Sixth one is towing and labor insurance. Available if you already have comprehensive car insurance, towing and labor insurance may reimburse you for a tow and for the labor cost to repair your vehicle. Seventh one is rental reimbursement insurance. Figuring out how to get around after an accident can be expensive. Rental reimbursement insurance help pay for a rental car if your vehicle cannot be driven after an accident. Classic car insurance. Classic car insurance provides specialized coverage designed for the unique needs of vintage and classic car collectors. Find out if classic car insurance is right for you. If you do not currently have auto insurance, it's critical to get coverage as soon as possible. Get a free quote for the types of car insurance listed above so you have protected from the unexpected. Related topics and resources. Here you can read the related topics about the benefits of car insurance. Insurance terms, definitions, and explanations are intended for informational purpose only and do not in any way replace or modify the definitions and informations contained in individual insurance contracts, policies, or declaration pages which are controlling. Such terms and availability may vary by state and exclusions may apply. Here you can read more about the car insurance products underwritten by Nationwide Mutual Insurance Company and affiliated companies. Not all nationwide affiliated companies are mutual companies, and not all nationwide members are insured by a mutual companies. Subject to underwriting guidelines, review and approval, products and discounts not available to all persons in all states. Nationwide Investment Services Corporation's member FINRA Home Office, One Nationwide Plaza. Here you can see the list of car insurance benefits. I know you can understand from this article. So, goodbye.